33 or 4 the platinum. Please come in.
Ella, the top broker who's done more than $130 million of deals in this building alone. Congratulations on yet another well-deserved listing. Obviously, you haven't done more deals than anyone else in Manhattan. You know this building better than anyone. What is it that makes it such a great one?
Thank you, Luke. It is such a great building, but let me tell you something about the neighborhood first. It's Midtown West. Midtown West is one of Manhattan's most iconic neighborhoods. If you want to make your home in the heart of the city, this is where you find Times Square, Broadway theaters, Bryant Park, a few blocks away from Central Park. The energy of the neighborhood is a center of entertainment and culture.
The residence definitely is unique and can see what would make anybody a great home, but what is it that makes it stand out to you?
Definitely the size and the layout of the home. It's a chef-like kitchen with a waterfall island, colossal closet space, southeast exposure that oozes natural light, the city skyline views. But most importantly, the love and the details this owner has put into the home, making an overall feel of peace and serenity.
Ella, this apartment is going to make somebody a lovely home and great investment. I imagine your phone is going to be going off the hook. What is the best way to get in contact with you?
Well, you can text me, email me, or call me, whatever works for you, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. Thank you.